Hey guys, this is Hunter Higdon here. I want to talk to you today about what to do in case you get in a car accident. A lot of people have questions about what you're supposed to do, and I'm going to tell you as an attorney here in Florida, this is what you're supposed to do. First thing you need to do is make sure that you're safe, okay? Make sure that you pull off to the side of the road, that you're safe. Don't get out of the car unless it is safe to do so. The next thing you need to do is you need to call the police. People think all the time, no, I'll just exchange information with the other person and we'll work it out. Let me tell you, that's a big mistake because everybody changes their story as soon as insurance companies get involved, okay? They say they'll take care of your damage. They say they'll help you if you're hurt. All that changes when insurance companies get involved. So make sure you call the police because they'll do a police report and they'll get all the necessary information that they need to have and that you need to have in order to protect yourself. Make sure that you take photographs. Big, very important thing here, that you take photographs of the property damage that was caused to your car and the car that hit you. It's very important because that evidence will be lost, and sometimes that we can't find it later on if people wait a long time to come see us to help them if they're hurt. The next thing you need to do is make sure you get the insurance information from the person that hit you. Okay, make sure you get the policy number, make sure you get the claims department phone number that's usually on the card, and try to take a picture of it if you can. If the person that hit you is making any type of statements saying, oh man, it's my fault, I didn't see you, or I was playing on my phone and I hit you, my bad. Try to record that if you can, because everybody has a cell phone these days. Whip out your cell phone, hit record, and record the guy saying that. It's important because, like I said, people change their stories later. So you should record that if you can. The next thing, if you're hurt, well, if you're hurt real bad and so badly that you can't get out of the car, of course, don't get out of the car. Call the police, get help, do that. If you're hurt at the scene, make sure you call an ambulance, take the ambulance to the hospital. You'll get the help that you need at the hospital. If for some reason that you think you're a little achy and you're like, oh man, I think I'll be okay, you may be hurt later. Oftentimes that happens with many people because the adrenaline's flowing and hey man, you're like, I just want to go home. The next day you wake up, you feel terrible. Go see a doctor. Go see a doctor right away. In Florida, you have 14 days to go see a doctor in order to avail yourself of your PIP benefits. And you need to make sure that you do that, okay? The defense will use it against you if you wait for a long time to go see a doctor. So don't give them that advantage. You need to make sure that you go see a doctor as quickly as possible and make sure that you listen to what your doctor tells you. Okay, the next thing that you do is call an attorney. I promise you, you need to call an attorney. You will not be able to navigate an auto accident that involves injuries without an attorney assisting you. Whether it's me or somebody else, you should call an attorney because insurance companies, they deal with you in a completely different way when you have an attorney involved, and you will maximize the value of your case and the amount of money that you put in your pocket if you hire an attorney. If you don't hire an attorney, you're letting the insurance company just get off cheaply. So don't be stupid, be smart. Call an attorney and make sure that you protect all of your rights. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call and I'll be happy to answer any of them for you. Again, my name is Hunter Higdon. Thank you.